guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from shopping hauls to styling services, and if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. I very much appreciate it. Today I am doing a Prime Wardrobe unboxing. It is my second one. Prime Wardrobe is a benefit to Amazon Prime where basically you can fill up a cart from 3 to 8 items and they will ship it to you, no cost, and you get to try on the clothes, keep what you like, send back what you don't like. They only charge you for what you keep. So it's just a nice try before you buy service. There is no stylist involved. You're picking out your own pieces. So let's go ahead and get into it because I'm excited to see. I think I got, similar to my last one, I think it's a lot of black stuff, but it's stuff that I've been wanting to try, so bear with me here. Hopefully it will still make for an interesting video. Okay, actually I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out of the box and the bag because they're all individually packaged, and then I will start walking you guys through the items. Okay, so I shipped 8 items to myself. It came in 2 different containers, so I think maybe I'm supposed to ship them back separately. I don't actually know, so I'm trying to keep the clothing separate. So from bag number 1, I got a Lark blazer. Just looking to get a few more black blazers to wear over things because I am finding myself wanting a black blazer but not wanting to wear the same thing every day. Looks kind of big and like it might dwarf me a little bit, but we'll try it. Next up, so I've been on a search for moto jackets, and so I've been finding a lot of them that dwarf me a little bit, and so I decided to try a kid size, and I gotta be honest with you guys, it's gonna be tiny. So I got a large in the girls. I didn't really know which size to try, and clearly that's just not going to be big enough, but we'll still try it on all for kicks and giggles. But yeah, so that's it's by Levi Strauss & Company. Okay, next up we have a dress, a blue dress with a deep V in the back, and I just got one similar in my Suitable You box. So apparently Suitable You did a good job at anticipating what I wanted, since I had just shipped this to myself prior to receiving that. So most likely I won't end up be keeping it, but we'll still try it on. And then we have another dress. I'm looking for warmer weather. Oh, this one is by Lark. This one is by Gabby Sly, I think. And it is a sweater dress, kind of a fit and flare sweater dress. Looks huge. It's a small and not an extra small, so I'm not quite sure what I was thinking with that. Maybe they didn't have an extra small. 3/4 sleeve length, nice black and gray sweater material. So we'll try it on, but it looks quite big. And then in my second box, I got basically a blue cable knit drape front cardigan, just because you can never have too many cardigans. And this is by Maxwell. And then on my quest to own all the moto jackets out there, I got a blush one to try. This is an adult one, extra small. So we shall see. Feels very similar to the one I have on now, which is my Stitch Fix jacket. And then we have, oh, and this is by members only. Then we have by J.Crew Mercantile, just a black drape front cardigan, a lightweight cardigan, full length sleeve on it. It's kind of more like a t-shirt type material, so, but it's a good casual type cardigan. And then last up, I had a BCBGeneration blazer that I absolutely loved, and it had a pleather on it, and I put it in the dryer for a few minutes to just get the wrinkles out because it had been wrinkled on the floor, and I ruined the fake leather. So I've been looking to replace it with another blazer without paying full price for a new one, which full price is like 120 bucks. So I've been looking around and I found this blazer. It's got these laces on the back. No way you guys are going to be able to see that very well on the camera. But it's got these laces on the back. And I found it for half price on Saks Off 5th, their website, but I wanted to try it before I bought it, and Amazon Prime had it, which theirs is like $120, so I would not buy it through Amazon Prime, but this gives me a chance to try it before I buy it someplace else, so thank you, Amazon. Okay, so that's it. That's all the things. Let's go ahead and start trying this stuff on. Okay, first up we have the blue cardigan. I like it, but I do find it to be a smidge big, and because there's a million cardigans out there in this world just waiting for me to buy them, I probably will hold out for one that just fits a little bit better. And it's really just about kind of this armpit gapping area. I like it when it's tight up here. But other than that, I love it. I think it's great. It's not the world's softest thing. It's kind of that old school cable knit sweater thing, but I still like it, and I'd keep it if it fit perfectly. This, my friends, is why I put a kid's jacket in my box. This is an extra small. The sleeves are way too long, and the whole thing just kind of has a lot of extra room in it. We'll look at it zipped up. I don't even really like, it feels kind of like the inside is the scuba type material, and it's just kind of okay. So here it is zipped up, and then we've got it zipped up the whole way, but I don't love it, so I don't think I'll be keeping this piece. Okay, next up. Okay, we have this cascade front cardigan. It fits amazingly, as you guys can see, and it's thin, so it's one that I really could probably wear spring, fall, year round. And I really like it. I just think it's really cute and it fits well. I can't remember what this costs. You guys are probably seeing that below. But when I look at the prices, I'll figure out if I'm keeping this or not. But this is a definite contender. So, yay. So, this one I have mixed feelings on. Now, I specifically ordered the BCBG jacket because my last one fit so amazingly. And so does this one. I absolutely love the fit on this. I love the way the material that they use. You can really just pull up the arms on it and wear it around like this if you want, which I absolutely love. Now this particular style though, I'm not sure I'm in love with. It has a deep, it's pretty high in the back, and then it cuts down quite a bit. I'm just not sure if I love that style. Also, the laces I like, though I could probably do without. I mean, I'd say I can tolerate the laces, but if I had my way, it probably would not have them. So, but this one I did find on, like I said, I found it on the Saks Off 5th, and it was half price, so it was like 50 bucks instead of 100 some bucks. And I love the fit of it. So, I don't know. What do you guys think of this one? Okay, first off, I think we can all agree that this blazer is not working for me. It looks huge. I look like I'm playing dress up with my parents' clothes, so not happening. But we have this dress, which I do really like. It doesn't seem like the greatest quality dress. Like, I have certain things that kind of pop out, and it doesn't seem the greatest quality dress, but it's fine. I do like it, but like I said, I got a more navy-ish blue dress in my Suitable You that's similar, so I don't know how many blue business dresses I need, but it fits really well. It's not too tight. It might be slightly big, but I don't like my business dresses to be super tight. Like, I'm not going there to be all like, look at my body, because that's not appropriate for the workplace. So, I don't know. I do like this though. Okay, I think I have one last outfit to try on. Okay, so the jacket is actually not tiny on me. It's slightly small, but it's not tiny. I think I'm going to try it on again with just that white tank that I was trying everything on with, just to really get a good look at it. So we'll see on this. And then this dress is just not happening. It's not good. So it is quite a bit big on me. Got a lot of extra room here. Even if it were smaller, like significantly smaller, I just don't really care for like the flare skirt on it. I thought I'd like that, but meh. So, okay, so here's my second try on of the jacket, and it's still, I don't think, a keeper. The sleeves are slightly too short, and I just don't, when I put it on, I'm not like, oh, this is amazing. So here it is half zipped. Here it is all the way zipped. And then here it is unzipped. I think I just don't love the shape of it. I think that's why I'm still like, on it. But can we discuss about the fact that this is close to keeping and it's a little girl's large? That's ridiculous. So now let's discuss the items that I'm thinking about keeping. So, hi guys. So here's the thing. I went to edit and post this video, and it turns out that I somehow missed filming the recap of the Prime Wardrobe box. So I don't have it anymore, but I do have a picture of the invoice. So I'll just go through this invoice, tell you what I kept and what I thought of each thing, and then that will be it. Okay, so we had the J.Crew cardigan, and I definitely kept that. I could always use more black pieces, black cardigans, black blazers, things like that. So that was a definite keeper for me. Then we had the blue cardigan by Maxwell. I did not keep that one. It just was not a perfect fit, and I'm really trying to hold out for perfect fit cardigans. Otherwise, I'm just never going to reach for it. The BCBGeneration Tuxedo blazer, that one I did not keep. Again, it was $128. I only sent that to myself so I could try and potentially purchase it off the Saks off 5th. Which it is now out of stock, so I will be looking for a different BCBGeneration and try to find one that's on sale. So the women's biker jacket, obviously I did not keep that because that was just huge on me and I looked silly. I looked very silly. And then we had the other blazer by Lark and Row. That one was too big. It just did not look good on me. Then we had the Sheath dress by Lark and Row. I really did like that one a lot, and it was very affordable, but I didn't keep it just because it was too similar to the one I had just gotten from Suitable You, so that was not a keeper. We had the girls' size leather jacket, and while that one did fit better than the women's, I still was kind of about it. It just was not the great fit I was looking for, so I did not keep that. And then finally we have the Gabby Skye sweater fit and flare dress, and that one was huge on me, and I did not keep that for obvious reasons. But I had fun trying on different things. Prime Wardrobe is such a great way for me to try different things and even different sizes, things like that. It gives me a lot of flexibility, so I really enjoy doing that. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks.